What?
It works here, but
My sacrifice.
not too sure on this part. So I'm gonna try another effect. So instead of camera shake, let me just turn that off. I'm gonna look for waviness. Drag that in. You should have waviness over here. Let's see how it looks like.
My sacrifice.
I think that's more fun. Let's try changing this to horizontal. That's too much. So we can tone down the scale. And let's see how that looks.
Sacrifice.
I like that more. We can make it, we can adjust speed, we can adjust strength, phase a little bit maybe, yeah, something like that. So let's see how that looks like.
Sacrifice.
I think we can go faster a little bit,
My sacrifice.
a bit faster again.
My sacrifice.
So the goal is to kind of match how that wave looks like to how you can imagine the voice is saying it.